Hi everyone! Right next to me is the D5C interactive flat panel display from Hikvision, an ultimate tool for smarter offices and classrooms. When transitioning from traditional projection devices to new ones, the key is simplicity. We've seamlessly integrated smartphones and PCs into our IFPD, making it user-friendly and intuitive. Now let's explore its interaction design. Let's start with the login interface. When you turn on the screen, you will see the login interface and you can create up to 10 user accounts. Under each user account, you can install apps, save documents, and personalize language and background. This gives everyone their own private space for management. Once you're logged in, you will see our main page, designed with OS 3.0 style for a techy and fresh look. Let's explore. Swipe right for device status and quick guides, and swipe left for the app gallery, where you will find all the pre-installed apps like Play Store, YouTube and Google Workspace. Back on the main page, tap the time for the time settings. Tap the screen mirroring code to check out the hotspot. Tap annotation to start annotation anytime. We tailored these features to match users' habits, making it flexible and easy to use, so everyone can enjoy a seamless experience. The bottom menu bar offers convenient interaction options. The bottom left corner is for switching signal sources, while the bottom right corner is for Wi-Fi, brightness, volume, and various tools. Long pressing allows you to customize the position of frequent use functions to maximize your convenience. Moreover, the built-in Hikvision keyboard enhances interaction convenience. Look, you can freely move the keyboard. You can type or write by hand. Compared to a traditional keyboard, it meets different user habits and improves flexibility. And here's a stunning feature. Long press an app icon to open it in a window and resize it by dragging the edges. You can have up to 4 windows open simultaneously. For example, you can do screen mirroring while annotating at the whiteboard, or compare multiple documents at once. This enables multitasking with up to 4 windows at once. Our IFPD seamlessly transitions user habits from various devices, adding more innovative and convenient designs. That's all for the interaction design introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time.